Is your deck looking a little tired? Dreaming of outdoor living but worried about safety or appearance? At Local Deck Solutions, we understand the joy a well-maintained deck brings and the headaches a neglected one can cause. Let's talk about common deck mistakes to avoid. First, neglecting regular cleaning and sealing. This exposes your deck to harsh weather, leading to rot and splintering much faster. Mistake number 2, ignoring minor issues. Another common pitfall is improper DIY repairs. While admirable, using the wrong materials or techniques can compromise your deck's structural integrity and void warranties. Instead, trust the experts. We offer comprehensive inspections, professional repairs, quality staining, and durable sealing services to extend your deck's life and beauty. Whether it's a minor fix, a complete overhaul, or just routine maintenance, Local Deck Solutions has you covered nationwide. Call us today on 866-497-1273.